Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and today we're in Tankerton taking a look at number 104 Queen's Road. This is a gorgeous detached family home offering you a wonderful contemporary and characterful mix which works perfectly for this sort of property in this sort of location. Now, coming straight through into the porch area here and now straight through into this hallway space, you can see we've got a beautifully presented property. Coming through into the lounge area here, you can already get a sense of what to expect here at the property. You've got that wonderful feature wall there that's such a focal point to the room, and you can see there just on the right hand side now, just ahead of us, you've got the doors leading us out onto the rear garden with those Velux windows just above, letting all of that lovely natural light just stream through into this living space. Really impressive amount of lounge and dining area here. Of course, you've got the doors leading through into the kitchen as well, which we'll go through and take a look at in a few moments. But again, I really like the way that you've got a wonderful contemporary style here, but you do have some really characterful pieces. And of course, the radiator there just in front of us again helps just to bring a little bit of character out alongside that feature wall there on the other side as well. Coming through and across into the kitchen, again you can see a little bit of character here. Really like the tiles that we've got on the wall, and of course the flooring tiles there, but of course you've got again those really nice feature doors just leading us through into that main reception space there ahead of us. And then of course you've got that lovely big window overlooking the garden as well. So we'll go out there and take a look at that space a little bit later on in the talk, as that is very impressive. But again, just panning the camera across and having another look at the kitchen here. Really nice mix of modern contemporary design here, but with a little bit of character as well. Really convenient space. Now we do have a study area, which again really conveniently placed, with of course the access through into the garage as well there. So noticed at the front of the property you've got that lovely big driveway and the garage here, so that is absolutely wonderful. Now on the ground floor of the property we do have the bedroom with the fitted wardrobes and the ensuite, but before we go through and take a look at that, just going to show you the utility room and cloakroom here. So you can see that we've got everything nicely organised. We've got a little bit of worktop space there with the integrated appliances just underneath, all the space for them, and of course with the loo there as well. Now coming through into the ground floor bedroom here, again you can see we've got those really nice sort of characterful ceiling beams there with that wonderful bay window there at the front, which really makes the room glow and pop. Of course you've got all of that natural light flooding through, and of course with that wonderful set of fitted wardrobes there. And ahead of us there you can just see you've got the main ensuite for the bedroom as well. So what we're going to do is I'll leave you for a few moments to take this space in, then we'll go upstairs and take a look at the rest of the bedrooms, and then we'll go into the rear garden and take a look at what we've got out there. So here we are upstairs, and we'll go through and take a look at the first of two bedrooms up here. Again, both bedrooms fantastic double-sized rooms, plenty of space in here for the double bed, and you've also got plenty of space in here for storage as well. But you do have that fitted wardrobe, so really convenient size, and of course that lovely big window there just at the front, just letting again all of that natural light flood through into the room. Now just coming across the landing here, you can see we've got the main family bathroom upstairs with the bath there and the shower unit above, and then of course the loo and sink unit there on the right hand side. And coming through into the second bedroom upstairs, of course you've got two bedrooms upstairs, and then of course the main bedroom downstairs with that ensuite and fitted wardrobes. We find ourselves in again another double sized room with again more fitted wardrobes and a wonderful view over the rear garden. So next up, let's go out there and take a look at what we've got. So there we have it. We've had a really good look around number 104 Queen's Road here in Tankerton. I really do hope that you've enjoyed taking a look at the property with us today, and I would encourage you to give us a call if you've got any further questions on it. And don't forget, if you like the way that we're presenting our properties in these video tours, why not give us a call today to book your own free valuation.